Hey guys, today I'm gonna sing the song Isn't It Lovely from Billie Eilish, and I'm not gonna use any sound effects. I thought I found a way, yeah, but you never go away, so I guess I gotta stay now. Oh, I hope someday I'll make it out of here, even if it takes all night or 100 years. Need a place to hide, but I can't find one near. Wanna feel alive, but I can't find my fear. Isn't it lovely? All alone, heart made of glass, my mind of stone. Turn me to pieces, skin and bone. Hello.